This is a bunch of idiots you are gonna do. No care when you go long, me not afraid that you gonna have every bomb where they making in the world. So me will tell you no anything come out my mouth. If you know where good for you, turn these dirty thinking jeep, drive them in the sea, or you drive them go about in the business, or you call the army and tell them say miss. My name Steve from my Wicker. I mean, there are hell shop on the beach, and no boy can take me for this until me ready to go home. So if you don't know a good phone, wrap up them and just go on about the business. Some arts have to work over here, so because I don't thinking stage tonight until me make better stage than work on. We don't call on the Prime Minister and tell him, say, Mr. Him cannot take me off our private beach. We don't think so, fool, we don't deal with it. We don't can't deal with poor people, so I am not a poor man. So no boy can't tell me nothing. So if you know what phone just turn and go on the yard. With the pan L, sure that them blood start to come condemn with. We're going to come out to the business. Tear down and nasty. We're going to go out to the business. You can't be there.
Be there, man. Be there.
I shoot me, so bad. But if you're bad, just shoot me. 1 ounce. It cannot do me none. Me iron and bombard still. A boy if you know that. So tell the Prime Minister, say, me, take me over here, so. If he have sense, he come sit down and read with him and teach him like a logic for if he run country. When you come here like germs, if I just thinking when he's going to drive on, I want to run, come over here. You think I hear that when I come, so? When you never hear me over here. When you think say 1, 2, 3, the whole, every sword over camp can take me off of it. Not one, can't take me off of it. Me get to know anybody in the world because this belongs to the Almighty. It belongs to no Prime Minister, no President, no priest, no boy in the world, no Bill Gates, no Putin, no boy can that's what you know. So the pass on the left. I don't know if you know what to create a problem. Because we're not creating a problem.
We're not going to create a problem, we're not create a problem, we're not done. We're not run people off of the Almighty beach. Only if you run people off of the beach of the Almighty, eh?
No.
Oh, you push, oh, mind yourself, man. Mind yourself. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't touch your son. We're not touching you neither, you know. Don't touch your body here, sir.
Oh, I can tell your number. Fuck deal.
Go on your Jeep and go on, man. You push your man, boss. Understand yourself. Don't do no stupidness.
You're in a problem later. Later you're in a problem. No rest.
Mind yourself. That's what I tell you. Be a very look yourself.
You see the fact that you have an black thinking, man. You have an master that is a coward.
Personally,
no believe in the Almighty again. We don't believe in a coronavirus. Look how weak you are.
Eh? My master if you are big gun. That is what I'm afraid. No boy no master in face can give me nothing. And that's what you know. Go out to the business.
Take off the mask and come back.
Go call the army and them want come. Tell
Andrew Holiness we want him over here if he sit down and talk.
Lick me down, that's what you do. Lick me down. I think on the girl this time I went to get licked down. This is now than dance thinking boy in a car and I am crutches. How know that? You go out to the business, that's all no good to do. When I see with that, that's what you do no good for.
Mine no man. Mine what I do?
See with that, I'm a John and a thinking self on the sun I did already. Next 2 years already anyway. So go on to the sea, got paid. I just for them people come to slave you down now. Drive it, lock it from come here. What do you think when you can't tell me nothing? Germs!
cut!
Boy! And don't come back. When you don't blood clot, come back. Simple.
Nigga! Lift up! Me too!
Look a soldier. Who's the if you tell you blood clot about come off a beach? They make no bomb clot beach. They make no beach boat here. Come off of them mother. About come off a beach. Come off a what?
Back to party.